Hello everybody, this is Hans talking about the Hanzo again and the OB move really. We are shortly before the OB. Now, this is the OB move here. This is not a good one. This is not a real Hanzo. And this one is the false Hanzo. This is the actual Hanzo here. Let me explain here. The OB move we saw that we were right at the BBs here, the 1 hour BB flip down. And we actually did break the 15 BB and also we had a 5-minute yellow, and then on the HA we had that yellow and the blue. So it was pretty obvious that this would go down as an OB, and then of course the Hanzo would go up again, but like this one is not a good one and this one was a false one, and it's the actually one which we were supposed to take and not really give us 80 pips. Now let me explain. Now here we see the OB move. I can't speed that up because then the picture would go out of the way, but I think I can do that. I'll check the picture out for a moment, then we can speed that up here a little bit. So we see the OB move, all right, a little bit faster. It's not going faster a moment, so probably now it's going faster, yeah. So now let me stop here. So this here now, I bring that picture back. This here now is this moment here where we could really think, okay, maybe this is the Hanzo, but really it's not, because we only have the Renko yellow here and nothing else here. You see, we did break the 15 BB, but the 1 hour has not been really broken. The 4 hour has not been really broken. We have some space here to the colored line. And also, but the most important thing here is that the 5-minute BB is still open, the BB band, and there is nothing here which can tell us, okay, we would go up. That will come here on that move, and I'll take that picture out a moment and then I put it back again and we watch this. Okay, now I just speed that up a little bit because MT doesn't like it so long. You see this here, it goes up a little bit and it comes straight away down, and there is nothing here. There is nothing here which can tell us, okay, let's do it. Stop that for a second. Now like I said, my Renkos, oh god, my Renkos, they look a little bit different than MTs. Just a second. My Renkos look a little bit different than MTs, but this is actually it here. That first attempt, then we come down again here, as you can see, all right? And then we got that attempt here, and I think Sergeant would take it because, or he did take it because he said he was waiting for that white. But again, if you can see here, there is nothing. We have a HA yellow as well. But here, I put that up a little bit so you can see we have also the moms are still on big minus, so it has not changed. And to me, this was not really the time to take the Hanzo. It was a false Hanzo, really. Now, another white should appear here now. That is that one here. Let's have a look. Flickering around a little bit. Now here there's you see, that's that white one here, and it just goes up a little bit, but there's nothing here. We have the mom tree already, but yes, nothing. And I don't know, it's to me it didn't even now. We have a five mom, but it's not really the right one because I missed something here. We have a second yellow on the HA. So that means for me, it could get ready for the next attempt to go up. And that's exactly what happened here. Now, I'm just take that picture out. Then I can speed up a little bit. Hang on, this is awkward, but there's no other way to do it. So now I bring that picture back because it's coming in now. And now we are here at that situation here, okay, And now watch what's happening here on the 5 minute. I will. It's exactly on the spot on at 35. It's happening. I'm just going to take that picture out for a moment, and we can stop that recording. And I want you to watch this 5 minute time frame. You saw that? You see that here? This is the one which I was missing really. Now we have the 5 minute yellow. We have here another yellow on the HA. We have a green Renko. And this is actually this moment here. And if we take that one, it's 5 minutes after the the opening bell move. And I just continue to let it go. And bring the picture back. Because we had 3 good moves really. This was the first one, the OB move. Then this was the Hanzo move. And then we had a pretty nice 60 pip move down again. So we had something like, this was I think 70 pips here. Then the Hanzo was 80, 150 and another 60 down. A 200 pip move within the span of 7 minutes. I think that is beautiful. That is what also MT mentioned yesterday, that if we can crack this obese stuff here, including the Hanzo, there's nothing, we don't really need more than that. I got a little bit messed up here because I was typing and missed the actual Hanzo move. That is this one here now, as you can see. Okay, but here we need to wait until it comes up until here to the 5 minute BB, and then it goes down. I just stopped it here. Then it goes down again, because why? We have on the Renko the yellow. Okay, here BB is closed. Yeah, there's nothing anymore here. And we know also that when a blue arrives, that there will be a pullback. We know that already. Then here, the 5 minute BB is closed. It didn't break it. Then we got on the 15, we got that white, which is actually rule to the downside really. And we are back again on the 1 hour flip down BB band. So we could take that. Let's have a look at it. All right. Let it run a little bit. I bring the picture back so it will not booger us up again. I have no idea why it is like that, but it is like that. Now look at that. If you go inside here, that's exactly this one. That is this move down here, and that is beautiful. It goes another, if you watch this one, it goes until 50 and then it stops. So I take that picture back and we can stop the recording again. And it comes really down here to that BB band, and then we should close the watch that. When it's on the 50, it's over here, and then we stop this trade. And that will give us another 60 pips here. You see that? It hits it, even though we still have a mum 4. But now look at that again. We have the mums here. We have that red one on the 4 hour. And we were on the CL on the 8. And we have that wick here as well. And we have all these wicks here. And we have another blue on the HA with the yellow and the white. So we go back up again, but we know also that now for a period of almost an hour, it went like sideways. It went up and down and up and down and up and down. And we could take some 20, 30 pips on the Renko during that period. But that is it. That is the OB move. I bring it back again, the picture, just so we can have a look at it again. So again, this was the OB move down here. That was for 70 pips. Then this was a false Hanzo, which we should not be taken because there was nothing here on the 5 minute. It was, the BB was still open. Also here on the HA, it was still open. The BB has to be closed. Then that's a good starting point for me to take the Hanzo, okay, on the 5 and on the HA. So this one was the false one. This one I think Sergeant took because he was waiting for that white, but it was not a good idea because the white came right in the middle and just before close to the BB band. And actually this is the Hanzo move here, and we saw it because then the 5 BB closed. We had a yellow here. We had another yellow here, and this was a beautiful move. And then we had also that one because we was back on the 1 hour BB band, so we could take that also for 60. So altogether those three moves, 200 pips within 7 minutes. I don't think you need any more than that. See you in the room. Over and out, Hans.